Welcome to the first lecture of personal development for real life. Sometimes your mind feels like a browser with too many tabs open. You're thinking about what you forgot, what's coming next, and all the things you should be doing. And even though you're not physically doing much, mentally you're exhausted. This lecture is about helping you clear that mental clutter, not by emptying your brain, but by organizing your thoughts so you can think more clearly, focus better, and feel less overwhelmed. You need to create mental space for what matters. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to understand what mental noise is and how it shows up. Recognize the signs of cognitive overload in your daily life. Use 2 to 3 simple tools to clear mental clutter and regain clarity. Build a habit of small resets that prevent overwhelm from building up. What is mental noise? Mental noise is the buildup of thoughts, reminders, emotions, and worries that stay active in your mind, even when you're trying to focus on something else. It includes unfinished tasks, looped thoughts like, I need to or don't forget, emotional residue from past conversations or mistakes, anticipation of upcoming stress, constant self-talk, second-guessing, or replaying events. It's not about being dramatic. This noise is real and it adds up. It makes your brain feel like it's working all the time, even when you're sitting still. What happens when mental noise builds up? You may not notice it at first, but when your mind starts filling up, it quietly changes how you move through your day when your mind is cluttered. You overthink simple decisions. You lose track of what matters. You forget things, not because you're careless, but because your brain is overloaded. You feel off, even if you don't know why. Mental noise creates a low hum of anxiety, distraction, or restlessness, and it's hard to do your best thinking when your brain feels full. Common signs you need a mental reset. Sometimes your brain sends subtle signals that it's overloaded, and if you catch them early, you can reset before burnout hits. You're thinking in circles. You keep switching tasks but finishing nothing. You feel tired but you haven't done much. You feel irritable without knowing why. You have trouble starting, focusing, or finishing even simple things. If this sounds familiar, you're not broken. You just need a reset. Tools to clear mental clutter. Here are 3 simple techniques you can start using today. The mind sweep. Take a blank page or digital note and write everything that's on your mind. No order, no rules. Ask yourself, what am I trying to remember? What's bugging me right now? What am I avoiding? What's taking up space in my head? Don't fix, just dump it out. This technique works because your brain stops looping when it knows things are captured somewhere safe. Thought sorting. After the mind sweep, look at what you wrote and sort it. To act on, tasks or quick actions. To schedule, things that can be done later. To release, worries you can't control or don't need right now. This isn't about solving everything. It's about knowing what's real and what is just noise. 1-minute reset. When you feel mentally scattered midday, try this. Close your eyes. Take 3 slow breaths. Ask, what's actually important right now? Write down just one next step. This works because you create clarity by shrinking the moment, not by forcing your brain to do more.